Hey guys, my name is Thomas Brush. I'm the creator of a game called Pinstripe. I'm also working on a game called Once Upon a Coma, and I've been making games for about 10 years. And in those 10 years, one of my favorite things to do, but also one of the most challenging things to do, is write music for my games. Now, the problem with writing music is that you'll spend maybe 4 hours to 8 hours, or maybe even 2 days, writing a single song, and just hoping to God that this song actually works in a specific level in your game. I gotta be honest, half of the songs I've written for Once Upon a Coma, I'm not using. I'm gonna throw them out, or at least give them to somebody else, because they're just not working for my game. And this made me think it would be really cool if there's a tool out there. A really cool tool maybe that you could put together music really quickly, something that has a mood and a feeling, put it in your game, and use it as a form of prototyping music. So I got this email from a company called Ecrett, and I don't usually do reviews for products, but they have this website where you can really quickly just open up the website, throw a song together in like 30 seconds, download the song, and it's something that you specifically created. You download the song and then you can use it royalty-free in your game. You can either use it as a prototype, or I would recommend using it for smaller games like mobile games or games you're going to release on itch.io or Google Play. If you have a game that has a really low budget or a short schedule, I think Ecrett music is perfect for you. So I want to open up this tool. I want to open it up and show you how you can use it to quickly create budget-friendly music that actually sounds good and works in your game. So I just want to say thank you to you guys who are watching this video, and also thank you to Ecrett. Doing reviews like this for products that I really like. Guys, this helps my channel. Ecrett is supporting this channel. I wouldn't be able to make videos if I didn't have companies like Ecrett to support me. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and thank you, Ecrett. Now let's get started taking a look at this really awesome tool that's going to help you guys make games. Alright guys, so this is Ecrett Music. Really simple interface, really easy to learn. Honestly, it doesn't really even need a tutorial. So let's pretend that we have the very first level in a video game where you're playing as a young boy with a wooden sword, and he's exploring the world looking for gems, kind of like a Zelda game or something. Well, we could achieve a really good soundtrack, especially if you're prototyping or if you're making a really small game. I think we could get the right song just by clicking a few of these categories in the scene, in the mood, in the genre. So I find that the nature scene is really good. The hopeful mood here might help, and then acoustic, and then create music. So that's pretty good. I think that that could be tweaked a little bit. So what I'd like to do is I usually like to start my songs out with a little less energy and then have it build. So we can remove these completely, just make them gray boxes. And then let's just build up. Start with the melody, maybe the backing will come in, and then the bass will come in, and then the drums will come in. I don't really like the way that melody sounds, so let's see if we can choose a different type of melody by selecting melody 1. Now let's hit play. We'll probably need to have the melody come in. Hey! It kind of works, doesn't it? Yeah, that really works actually. Really quickly, we have a song that could work for our village level in our video game. All we need to do is click download, and it's gonna download the song and we can put it into our video game. And our downloads are listed here. So you're probably gonna download a lot of different songs, so it's a really good idea to remember that you can find them all here. Now, let's pretend we're making a totally different video game. Let's pretend we're making, let's say, a game about, I don't know, a boy skateboarding or something. So we could probably go into, I'm just gonna click randomly here. Lifestyle sounds kind of cool. Let's see here. Which one do we wanna do? How about uplifting? And, oh wow, hip hop? That might be cool for a skateboarding game. Let's click create music. See how it sounds? It's kind of fun. It's like rolling the dice. That's kind of cool. Yeah. So it's like, okay, that might work. Let's download that one and let's try and find something a little bit better. Because for me, that kind of sounds like maybe a little too silly for a skateboarding game. So let's actually remove lifestyle and uplifting and acoustic. And let's see if we can find something a little bit cooler. Hey, maybe fitness is a good idea, considering it's a game that's more about activity, like skateboarding. So fitness, and we could do maybe serious. Maybe hip hop. Let's try that. Click create music. That's kind of cool. So as you can see, it's playing the second line here. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that a lot. So you could download that one, see if that works for maybe a level, especially if you're in a level that's maybe at the nighttime when you're skateboarding around, like in a Tony Hawk game where you're skating at night. So there's a great mood for a night level. Maybe if you get rid of serious and go to something like uplifting, and ooh, let's try EDM. Let's click create music here and see what happens. That's cool. So if we remove all of this and have it build slowly. So watch, let's click play and listen to the build. So I think this would really work for a very fun, almost cartoony racing game or skateboarding game. I think this would work really great. So always start your songs out small and build it up and get more exciting. Not bad. And you notice the fill changed here, the drum fill, to a 4, and that's why you get a different sound. There you go. Nice. Now, another really fun thing to think about is what if you're making like a Nintendo type game, like a racing game, maybe a game like, I don't know, Diddy Kong Racer or Mario Kart or something like that. I think a really good category to choose would be fitness. Most Nintendo games are really uplifting, and I don't know, maybe some EDM. Let's create that and see if we get a cool video game song for a racing game. So the race starts. So imagine we're racing in our little go-karts. That's kind of good. Not bad. Awesome. Kind of works, doesn't it? That's good. Very cool. So the way that I like to create video game music is I usually like it to build pretty cleanly. So you usually start out with just the melody. So we could do starting out with the melody and have it go all the way down, and definitely get more intense as we go to the right. And then we could add in that backing and the bass, and then the drums come in. So if we hit play, you'll notice that it starts out as if it's really calm and quiet. Everyone started the race, right? And things start to get more and more intense as you collect items, and everyone starts to compete with one another. So I think this really works for a racing game. I like that. That's pretty good. And then you bring in the drums and things get intense, right? There we go. That's awesome. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this is actually pretty great if you're making a small game or making a prototype and really want to get stuff done quickly. I think Ecrett music is a great option for you guys. All right, guys, that's Ecrett music. It's pretty cool, and I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and thank you to Ecrett music. And if you guys found it interesting, there's a link in the description. Also, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll try and answer as best as I can. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.